Here's a 2016 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Stamina for every adventure. The cargo floor can be lowered by adjusting the split-folding rear seats to pack in everything you need for your next adventure. It offers a turbocharged engine, sport-tuned suspension, and maintains traction around fast turns with the XDS Plus cross differential system. Quality German design comes to play inside this Golf GTI, with features including ambient lighting, heated front sport seats, and a touchscreen sound system. This playful Golf can't help but show off. Onlookers will admire your stylish ride with alloy wheels, LED fog lights, and dual exhaust, while you control vehicle functions with your smartphone using CarNet with App Connect.
Ward off the chills with the heated seats. The backup camera gives you a clear picture of what's behind you.
Sporty looks and performance to match. Take this fiery hatchback for a test drive.
Peoria Volkswagen offers a fresh approach to buying a vehicle. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 8801 West Bell Road in Peoria, Arizona.